Welcome to my YouTube channel Devendra Commentator, where I'm going to tell you the secrets of some of the most amazing, outstanding, astonishing, monumental moments that the players experience at the top of their career in the world of sports. I will also try to recreate those scenes that they experienced in their life through running vocal commentaries in a special series called Players in Focus. Change in bowling from the far end. It's going to be Hamid Hassan from round the wicket with two slips, gully, backward point, cover, extra cover, and mid off on the offside. And here is Hamid Hassan from round the wicket. He's bowling to Sangakkara. He's driving. He's caught. He's caught at the first slip. No, he's dropped it. He's taken the catch. He's out. He's out. He's out. Hamid Hassan has taken the wicket. The Afghan Express has provided them the wicket that they've been searching for desperately. He's out. Kumar Sangakkara. Hassan has a wicket. Well, when we talk about fast bowling, especially fast bowling in Afghanistan, we talk about Hamid Hassan. His contribution to the world of cricket and especially to Afghanistan cricket has been massive. So he was born in Nangarhar province in Afghanistan, then shifted his base to Jalalabad and then to the outer part of Pakistan-Afghanistan border. And that's where he played a lot of refugee cricket with the like of Rais Ahmed Jai, Gulbuddin Naib and Mohammad Nabi. And then they shifted their base to other parts of Afghanistan. They kept migrating from one place to another place. So he started playing cricket there, then he started performing in the junior cricket, and hence he was picked for the Afghanistan team that played an exhibition match against the team MCC in Mumbai in 2006. He got the key wicket of Mike Gatting. And that's where his talent was noticed, because most of the people involved in that match figured it out that was a sensational talent. So he was picked, and then he toured to Lord's Cricket Ground. So he became the first ever cricketer to play at the Lord's Cricket Ground, especially from Afghanistan. And that's why I'm saying that his contribution has been massive, because whenever the big occasion arrived at the league Division 5, Division 4, Division 3, in all the crucial matches, almost in final match they had to win to qualify for the next round, and that's where he was always man of the match. And that takes me back to 2010 World Cup qualifiers, T20 World Cup qualifiers in Dubai. That's where Afghanistan won the toss. They scored 135 for the loss of 4 wickets. USA were off to a very good start, and then he picked up a couple of wickets, and then he dismissed the most famous wicket, Tim Roy Allen. He was famous for his big hitting, was feared by one and all. So he decided to come in without the helmet, and that infuriated Hamid Hassan. And then he bowled a couple of bounces at him, and in the next over of Nabi he managed to strike a 6 also. But after that, what happened was dramatic. Hamid Hassan running in fast and then knocking his middle stump out of the ground with that lovely shearing in-swinging yorker, and that's where everything changed. He created the moment for Afghanistan to celebrate, and Afghanistan managed to find a place in the World T20 in 2010. That was a historic match in which he ended up as a man of the match. After that, in the year 2012, he suffered a career-threatening injury playing against the English cricket team. Was trying to save the boundary, but what happened that he collided with the side screen, and that's where he suffered a massive blow. That was a life-threatening condition for him, and he had to wait for 2 or 3 years to recover from that situation, but never could recover quickly because he forced himself to come into the Afghanistan side quickly. So because he's a passionate character, he's someone who has great level of integrity about himself, and that's why Afghanistan suffered a bit. Then Rashid Khan arrived, and the spin sensations, the change, the perspective about the Afghanistan cricket team has also changed because of this spin bowlers on the rise. They are contributing in IPL and other leagues, but fast bowlers again, that is the requirement, and that's where they are going at the moment. And then with a lot of hard work, he managed to find a place in the 2019 Cricket World Cup, where he bowled a phenomenal spell to the likes of David Warner and also to Kane Williamson. He looked very good, very sharp in the recently concluded SCL 2020. So in 2019, when I visited there for the purpose of commentary to Kabul, he did something unthinkable. He was bowling fast and he got injured. So one of the all-rounders was present there and asked that what's wrong with this thing. This Hamid Hassan keeps getting injured. And then he highlighted, if Afghan players start giving only 10% of what he does on the field, what he does in the training session, Afghanistan will become invincible side in the world. That tells something about his work ethics. He's a passionate fellow. I had the pleasure of joining him as a commentator in variety of leagues, especially to the Afghanistan international matches. And that's where he was always in the commentary box talking about what the bowler needs to do, always thinking about what he wants to do. And he's counting everything, every boundary that he conceded in recently concluded SCL. He's counting that, and that this is something that he wants to utilize in the next opportunity to rectify all the problems and come in there and perform as a fast bowler. He has a dream of taking 5 wickets. It wasn't materialized in 2019 Cricket World Cup, but I think that it keeps going there. And then the time is not far away. Maybe the next T20 World Cup, that's where there's the opportunity for him to do something which he did in 2010, taking a crucial wicket and maybe winning the game for Afghanistan. So Afghanistan posting 135 for 4. In response, they are 69 for the loss of 4 wickets. They need a wicket. He's a key man, Tremoy Allen, at the moment at the crease and captain with the Hamid Hassan. He's bowled so far really well. He's going to bowl from over the stumps to Allen, and he goes in. He's bowling to him. He's bowled him. He's bowled him. Hamid Hassan is celebrating like anything. Split on the pitch is performed, and he's celebrating because he has removed the most dangerous man in this lineup. Tremoy Allen is bowled by Hamid Hassan, and Afghanistan has a real chance of qualifying for the World Cup, for the T20 World Cup 2010. It's changing bowling from the far end. It's going to be Hamid Hassan from round the wicket with 2 slips, gully, backward point, cover, extra cover, and mid off on the offside. And here is Hamid Hassan from round the wicket. He's bowling to Sangakkara. He's driving. He's caught. He's caught at the first slip. No, he's dropped it. He's taken the catch. He's out. He's out. He's out. Hamid Hassan has taken the wicket. The Afghan Express has provided him the wicket that they've been searching for desperately. He's out. Kumar Sangakkara. Hassan has a wicket.